Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to make your header transparent on Wix. So this is actually pretty simple. So as you can see, this is my header over here. It's also displayed as header. So the way to do this is you need to just click on it twice, right? So the first time is to select it, and then once again to actually have this pop out settings to be able to edit it and change the design. After that, guys, just press on the header design. So as you can see, you can also note that my header now has this kind of a gray, like a dark gray color, and it's not transparent. So change header design, press on this button. And after that, fill color and opacity, first option. And as you can see, the opacity is actually the function and setting that will be in charge of us setting it transparent to transparent. So if I scroll to the left, as you can see, it's now turning into transparent. To the right, it's not transparent. So you can see you can set it to 0% and now it's completely transparent. Okay, so this is how it's done, guys. Pretty easy. Enjoy. If this helped, leave a comment about what you think. Click on the like button if you enjoyed it, if it was helpful, and of course subscribe. See you soon, guys.